Welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video is on a Porsche Boxster with a retrofit of an Apple CarPlay solution. If you're new to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. It will keep you up to date with all of our latest videos of installations that we're carrying out from workshop facilities here in Cambridge. Let's get started. So I'm just going to be talking you through in today's video a bit more about how this system works on the Porsche Boxster. So it's an Apple CarPlay retrofit which adds loads more functionality to your vehicle, including Waze. You've also got Google Maps, Apple Maps, Spotify integration, your calendar integration. It's got loads more functionality added to your vehicle into the factory screen. There's literally nothing visible except from a very small microphone for Siri, so you can make hands-free calls and use Siri to make calls, look at maps, get you to where you need to be very easily. So in terms of the integration module, it's all hidden away, it's in behind the factory radio. What's involved on this system is basically taking the radio out, disassembling the radio, changing over ribbon cables, adding in the modules, all nice and neatly behind the scenes, and then basically putting it all back together, running the USB lead to wherever you want in the vehicle. This customer was after it in the glove box, however we can do whatever you want in terms of that solution. So we can run it into the cubby box behind you in the armrest, we can put it into the A-pillar, we can flush it in somewhere, it's completely up to you, and we go through all of that when you book in your vehicle with us. If you are based a bit further afield, or if you are local to us, if you're local, feel free to pop in, see us, visit us. We'll show you what it's going to look like, we'll show you the modules, we'll show you how it's going to look on your vehicle. So it's not just on these Boxsters, we can do it on a variety of other vehicles, so make sure you check out the Mercedes GLC video as well that we've done. We've got loads more of these coming as it's becoming a really popular solution. In terms of the actual usability of the actual product, basically all you've got to do is press the Navi button once, which will take you to your factory Porsche nav system. Press that button once again, you'll enter into our Apple CarPlay mode. All you then do is plug in your phone, it's nice and easy, CarPlay will automatically come up on your phone and it will link directly onto your Porsche screen. So now you've got all the functionality, touchscreen has been retained on your factory screen as well. So you've added loads more functionality and it just transforms the way you drive the vehicle because you've got accessibility to literally everything from your phone directly on your screen right in front of you. So you're completely hands-free, it's completely legal because it's built into the factory system. So that's just a bit of an overview of how exactly it works. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and you found this useful. If you are interested in something like this, make sure you get in contact with us. We'll drop all the links below. So I hope that you found this video useful. You've seen a little bit more about behind the scenes as well as how to use this product in this Porsche Boxster. If you do own another vehicle, feel free to get in touch with us and we'll go through everything with you in terms of how interactive it is, also pricing and also the fact of how you guys can get booked in with us. But the main thing you do is press that subscribe button below. It will keep you updated with all our latest videos. But thank you for the support. We look forward to upgrading your car soon.